Hey, I'm Annika from iDoc, your expert for smartphone problems. If the sound of your smartphone is distorted when you make a call or listen to music, it doesn't always mean that your speaker or the earpiece of your phone is defective. Often a quick cleanup can already solve the problem. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. To rule out a software problem, restart your phone first. If there's still no improvement after restarting your device, you can start cleaning it. It is important that you turn off your device first and remove its charging cable to avoid a potential short circuit. For external cleaning of the earpiece and speaker openings, I can recommend the following tools: adhesive tape, a toothbrush, a paintbrush, a cotton swab, and type cleaner. A piece of tape can remove dust and other smaller particles from the speaker and earpiece opening. Simply take a piece of tape and attach it to the opening of the earpiece. Press it lightly and then pull it off. If there's still some residue, repeat the process a few times. Dust and fine dirt particles can also be easily removed from the openings with a cotton swab, a toothbrush, or a small paintbrush. Simply brush lightly over the speaker or earpiece opening. Doing so, be as careful as possible not to damage anything on the device. The most effective way to clean the earpiece and the speaker is with the so-called type cleaner. This is a rubber paste that is similar to plasticine and was originally used to clean typewriters. You can buy type cleaner in stationery stores or simply order it online. To clean your smartphone with type cleaner, take a small piece of it and knead it until it's soft and pliable. Then press it lightly onto the opening on the smartphone and peel it off again. If there's still residue in the opening, simply repeat the process a few times. If the sound quality is still poor after a thorough external cleaning, you can try to clean the earpiece and speaker from the inside. To do this, you have to remove the earpiece or the speaker from your smartphone. On our channel, you can find instructions on how to do that for your smartphone model. You can clean the small grill on the earpiece and the openings on the speaker. Be especially careful not to damage anything when cleaning. You can also try to clean the openings from the inside. The speaker opening is located at the lower edge of the case. The grill of the earpiece lies on the upper edge of the screen unit. Also, for the inside cleaning, you can use all mentioned tools. You can first try to remove the roughest dirt from the earpiece opening with a brush. Be careful not to damage anything and not to bend the camera's flex cable. Afterwards, you can also use the type cleaner to get into deeper openings. Proceed the same way for the speaker opening. If you have any problems or questions about cleaning your smartphone, just leave us a comment. We will be happy to help you. I wish you good luck with the cleaning. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. You can find more helpful videos here.